UGC की National Credit Framework का CHUNAGADABA MAONGDA Manipur University Gisu Anouba Syllabus frame Touragani HAINA University ASIGI Vice Chancellor Professor and Lokendra PHONGDORAKLI Wafama saying as Manipur University Examination Section amasung UGC Malavia Mission Teachers Training Center Nasilaga Numit Humni Chupna Chathagadaba Assessment Evaluation and Question Setting ge Workshop Haudokpagi Thoramda Mahakna Phongdokibani MU gi Court Holder Pangthokiba Thoramaduda Professor and Lokendra Nahai Lakliba Tang Tara Humdoida University ASIGI Academic Council gi Mifam Ama Pangthoktuna Anouba Syllabus frame Tobagi Matangda Khanagani Thawanga si UGC ki regulation ama oiriba National Credit Framework ka manana chatnaba hotnarakpani nauna frame tawgadariba syllabus asitadi mamangda chatnaramba subject combination gi rule na chingba amata leiraroi mahiroi singda field work ki ahenba khudong chaba pinaba field paper su haplagani maramde field work ki experience ningthina leihorabade thabak fangnaba hotnabada ahenba khudong chaba ama oigadoribani NAP 2020 ki matung inna degree gi certificate pibada so ahum pakaya laklagani degree gi ahanba chahi loibaga certificate ama pigani chahi ani loiraba matungdana diploma certificate chahi ahum loiragana degree certificate amade chahi mari ki degree course mapung fana loirabade degree with honors ke certificate sing piragani Masigi matung dagide mahiroi sing na chahi ama natraga ani ki master program khanba yagane thorang sing ase mai pak na implement tawna bagi damak university ase ge controller of examination amade lairiba committee sing na akanba mongda hotna bagi tangai fadaba lai thawang ase mamangda chatnaramba undergraduate amasung postgraduate ki kanglon dage top topa amane Amaramda University asigi makhada laiba mahiroi khudingmak ke grade amasung mark na chingba pumnamak digitalize tawrakani madugidamak mahiroi singda digital ID amamam piragani thawang asigi makhada mahiroi singi grade amadi mark pumnamak DigiLocker da upload tawduna irai laiba mongda download tawba yaragani masida sunatana Mahiroi Singi Information Pumnamak Academic Bank of Credit ta upload tawragani thawang asigi damak MU ki makhada laiba college ki in charge singna MU ki nodal officer ka pau phawna view haina Professor and Lokendra makhatana phongdokhe
In 1 or 2 years everything will be now digitally controlled. All the information will be in the DigiLocker, and I'm sure that all of you understand that we have NSDL. Like NSDL, all the information will be there in the cyber world, and there will be a number of blocks in the cyber world, and no information will be lost. Even if it is lost after some time, it can again be retrieved by various technologies. So therefore, we are in a completely different educational and examination ecosystem. It's a completely different world, but slowly and gradually we will come to grapple with that, and we will come to understand it, and slowly and gradually our students will be getting the facilities of getting their mark sheet, their certificate, just on the click of a button from their own laptop, because all the informations will now be uploaded in the DigiLocker and in the Academic Bank of Credit.